Okay, so day 68 of building a lending business from scratch. So, have been thinking about this for a little bit, and probably going to end this series at days. I actually wanted to end it today, but decided to extend it to day 70 because tomorrow I'm going to a dental convention, or a convention for dentists. So, want to talk about that, and then the day after, going for day two. So, I figured it'd be nice to see, I guess, different ways of filling the funnel and just networking. And yeah, so what I worked on today was really just the newsletter, and the landing page. So one of the things that I have been doing is just offering videos in different ways, different pieces of value that I can bring to other people that want to get into lending or whatever it is. But I haven't been collecting any information or contact info. And that time when I got suspended by Facebook for a weekend, really made me realize that I have to try to extract as much contact info outside of Facebook as possible. Um, and so that's really what I worked on pretty much for the entire day, is just building a and um, landing page to get a PML safety webinar that I did with EQRP, um, 13 days ago. And it's kind of weird because it would have annoyed me if uh, I were to ask for something. I guess if someone were to offer, I guess it happens all the time though. To me, it's kind of annoying, and I understand that it's going to annoy a lot of people. But at this point, like, I see a lot of the bigger people in any industry, they're out there trying to collect information. I mean, when I went to the Aspire tour in Atlanta, I mean, that was one of the big things that Kevin, what is it, Mr. Wonderful? I don't know, Kevin something said was collect, you want to collect information, you want to get as much information as possible. And I mean, Dan Martell said the same thing. You sell, like, he sells merchandise, or I think someone told him you should be selling merchandise not because you want to try to make money off of shirts and t-shirts and hats and everything. You want to collect their credit card information to make it easier for them to then buy from you in the future. And so it's gotten to the point where I don't have to, I want to make it so that I can build a long email list and continue so that the newsletters that I send out every Tuesday and Friday actually go to people who are interested and want to get into private lending, whether that's busy professionals or people that want to start their own lending business. Um, just finding a way to stay in front of people, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. And so now it's kind of cool because I don't have to worry so much about doing cold outreach anymore. I have contacted, I mean, probably since I've probably contacted like 1,000 people in the past couple of months, and uh, and now it's just about keeping those that are interested or want to learn more engaged by bringing them value, bringing them sharing experiences, showing them deals that we funded. And I really forgot where I was going with this. Other than the fact that, yeah, I get to batch create all of these, and so now instead of planning out my days like I was before, I started planning out my weeks. Now I'm going to be shifting more towards planning out my months, so that, because creating this content stuff is like, I don't know, it is tiring, and I've avoided it. But if I just have a day or two dedicated just to do that, then I think it'll make it a bit easier. But yeah, I mean, that's really what I've been working on. Yeah, definitely still in the system building phase. I mean, we have had a couple of deals fall through just because the borrowers backed out. But we are moving a decent amount of money, um, which is really nice. I mean, we have probably more than tripled what we did in the first month already. So I mean, just at that scale, at that rate, we're gonna be crushing it. But I don't know if that's sustainable. Well, I shouldn't jinx myself. I shouldn't put that out there. Just I'm gonna keep pushing and really try to keep on that track, and yeah, just keep pushing really. So yeah, the last couple of days of this process documentation will be just kind of recapping what I've done and learned by going to a conference or a convention that's completely outside of my area, outside of anything that I know. And then we'll switch it up and start documenting something else. But yeah, thank you for those who've been watching. And if you have any questions about being a private lender, you want to be a passive co-lender, or you want to see how I'm using AI to make my work more efficient, please reach out. Happy to help.